We are getting ready to kick off this fun project for our yard. I don't know if anyone has guessed yet what it is, but we are building something fun. We are using this new flat black paint and primer spray from Behr. So I'm really excited. It is great for outdoor use. So we'll let you know how it goes. And Chris just took one of them, but we've got these 4x4s. We have 1x6s, 2x3s, a couple of casters, screws, and lots of paint. Time to get to it. Right, he's getting to work. What do we got going, babe?
We are making a grill table for our charcoal grill.
Boop,
We
boop.
have a round charcoal grill that we wanted to have more portable and also have more storage for any other options we want. And it's also a fun little
So what's this?
DIY. This
You're starting
this
with?
is a 4x4 beam. Where these are going to be our legs. And we're going to attach casters to one end so that it can move around, but also sit still when we want it to. So I just got to measure those and cut them, and then we're going to start building the two platforms. Legs built, ready to put this together, and then the long side. We had to measure and to figure out how long we wanted it. Once we figured that out, these are going to be our support for our shelves.
So ours is about, what, approximately 36 inches high?
It's about 36 inches high by 40 inches long. And about 28 inches wide.
Deep? Okay.
Yeah. Hey, how are you? How are you? Do you like that?
I want to roll it.
Roll it.
Here, you gotta lift that on this side. Come here.
So what do? We changed it up a little bit.
Yeah, we ended up changing the frame so that it would come flush to the end here.
Heavy.
And this will be more of a tabletop. So this would be inset flush with all the, you won't trip on it. It'll be good. Makes it look a little smoother, a little
Yep.
more.
No, the top is going to be
The top will be
come
offset.
outside a little bit. Yeah. Looks good.
Look, left this side. There we go. Now we roll it. Whee! See how easy it is? Even a 3-year-old can roll it around when it's all done. Awesome. Can I get in?
We've got the little helpers out here to help us. We took the casters off for right now because it's time to get to painting, and I didn't want to get those painted. Here you can see Chris actually has already done some sanding, so it's nice. The edges are all nice and smooth. We did use wood filler. What is it actually called?
Wood plastic.
Boop, boop. To fill in the holes and stuff where we screwed it all together. So this is actually the bottom. This is the This is the top. This is where the top is going to be. So we didn't worry about up here, but the sides that you are going to be able to see is nice, all sanded, smooth. Time to get to painting. We are ready to go. So this is the spray paint we're using. It's from Behr. It is their paint and primer spray paint, all in one. And this is for, I love, indoor or outdoor use, corrosion resistant. And so we're just gonna go ahead and spray down the entire base. I want the whole base to be black, and then we're gonna stain some wood slats for the top. But this baby's all getting painted today. All right, so I'm just doing a light coat first. We're gonna go back and do extra coats. But this is the bottom, and I'm actually gonna paint this as well because we don't want exposed wood for a table that's gonna be outside. Let me come around on this side. So we're gonna paint the bottom as well, just to help give it some protection so the wood doesn't soak up any water. All right, so we're getting the top made. Sorry y'all, it is bright, but it looks good. So this here is the matte black spray that we did from Behr. We're gonna do some touch-ups because we put in the cross beam here, and then the wood on top is gonna be stained, and then we're also gonna use a heat protectant on it because there will be a hole right there for the grill that will set in. I'm excited.
We needed to cut a circle, so we got our guide here. You can use any piece of metal. If you have a saw guide, that's awesome. But basically, you just get a pivot point, and then trace your circle all the way around.
off of the grill. Gonna do a quick dry fit. Make sure it fits right and how we want it before we sand, stain, and then we're also gonna treat the wood for heat. That looks so good.
Like a glove.
Wow. Yeah, that looks awesome. All sanded, nice and smooth, and now we're just staining the top. So the top is stained with a semi-transparent stain. It actually matches what we did on our fence over here before. So the top's going to match that, and then with the bottom being black, that Black Bear outdoor paint. I'm really excited. It looks so amazing. It's now stained. We've even added a bottle opener, some hooks on this side, and a handle here. But one last thing before we actually finalize setting in the grill, we're putting in a heat protectant spray. So it's a clear spray. This one protects up to 500 degrees, and we're just going to kind of spray a top coat, especially around the circle where the grill is going to sit. And I wanted it clear because obviously we have it the color that we want. We're just going to add some heat protection.
All right, we started off the grill. You can get these coals heated up.